Today we're going to set up the developer environment for building Telegram, mini apps, and bots. In this video, we will install 4 important tools: WinRAR, vscode, Node.js, and GitHub Desktop. Let's start with WinRAR. WinRAR, open Chrome or any browser on your PC. In the address bar, type WinRAR, then press enter. The website will open. You will see an option called Download WinRAR at the top or somewhere in the middle of the page. Click on it. Now click the Download WinRAR button. The download will start. Wait until the download is complete. Now open the Downloads folder. Find the WinRAR file. Double-click on WinRAR. An installation window will open. Click Install. Then click OK. Then click Done. And that's it. WinRAR is now installed on your computer. Now let's install vscode. Open Chrome or any browser on your PC. In the address bar, type vscode, then press enter. The website will open. In the middle of the page, you will see a big button that says Download for Windows. Click on it. Now a file will start downloading called vscode user setup. It will appear in your Downloads folder. Open the Downloads folder. Double-click on vscode user setup. The installation window will open. Tick the option I accept the agreement. Click Next, then keep clicking Next. Now click Install. After a few moments, the installation will finish. Click Finish. vscode will open automatically. Next, we will install Node.js. Open Chrome or any browser on your PC. In the address bar, type nodejs.org. Then press enter. The website will open. You will see 2 buttons. Click the LTS version. This is the stable version. The file will start downloading. It will appear in the Downloads folder. Now double-click on the Node file. The installation window will open. Click Next. Tick I accept the terms. Click Next again. Then keep clicking Next. Now click Install. After a few moments, Node.js will install. Click Finish. Now command prompt will open. Press enter 2 times. Some package files will start downloading. Wait for it to complete. Then press enter again and close the window. Now let's check if Node.js installed correctly. Open VS Code or command prompt. Type this command node-v. If a version number appears, that means Node.js installed successfully. Now type npm v. If a number appears, then npm is also installed. Now let's install GitHub Desktop. Open Chrome or any browser on your PC. In the address bar, type GitHub Desktop. Then press enter. The website will open. You will see a big button that says Download for Windows. Click on it. Now the file will start downloading. It will appear in the Downloads folder. Open the Downloads folder. Double-click the installer. This installer does not have many steps. It installs automatically. After a few moments, GitHub Desktop will open automatically. Now you will see an option on the screen. In my case, it did not appear because I installed it a second time, but on your computer it will appear. You will see something like Sign in to GitHub. If you already have a GitHub account, you can log in. If you do not have one, you can create a new account. And that's it. Your developer environment is now ready for building Telegram, mini apps, and bots.